Many ages ago, when this ancient planet was not quite so ancient.
On my signal, begin.
Laser tag, the game that moves at the speed of light. From Worlds of Wonder, stadium not included.
Nice ball. You've never seen a ball like this, see? Wow, pop goes the pop.
PC and prize, each sold separately.
These furry balls are off the wall, 'cause boys love to party.
Who's cooking fish?
You're cooking fish. Mailbox. Light pole. Safe. I made it! I made it! I made it!
We'll be right back with more of Woody Woodpecker in a moment.
Hi, I'm Stacey Ferguson from Kids Incorporated. The whole Kids Incorporated gang and I are coming to Knott's Berry Farm this weekend. And are we going to put on a great Thanksgiving show for you?
We're Kids Incorporated. K-I-D-S,
So why don't you come on out and see us all? Martika, Rasan, and Renee. We're all coming to Knott's this weekend. See you there.
Don't miss Kids Incorporated Thanksgiving weekend at Knott's.
The Legoland King's Castle. You can build this castle and play with it for days. But you've only started. The box shows other ways to build these mighty castles, where knights and horses stand, or joust around to have some fun or march across the land. Each day there's adventure, always something new. And the team that dreams tomorrow up is Legoland in you. There are 6 more castle sets you can collect, each sold separately. King's Castle is part of the Legoland Castle Collection and has hundreds of bricks for building. From Lego Systems.
The Cabbage Patch Kids.
I promise to be a good parent to my Cabbage Patch Kids.
Your children can adopt them and care for them just like real kids. There are Cabbage Patch Kid umbrella strollers that let your kid really come alive. Snuggle-up carriers to keep your Cabbage Patch Kid close and secure. Cradles for rocking baby while you're walking or just lying around. And even Cabbage Patch Kid slumber bags.
They're each one of a kind. They're Cabbage Patch Kids. You can give them all your love.
Fly right in with your modifiers. Modifiers. It's got 2 transmissions and 2 sets of tires. Modifiers. Change it all around any way you want. Got a set of pipes and put a winch on the front.
Modifiers changes from 2 to 4-wheel drive and handles any road alive.
Modifiers, Corvette or Power Pickup by Ertl.
For a family experience that combines learning with fun, visit Kidspace Museum in Pasadena, where something exciting for kids is always happening. That's Kidspace Museum in Pasadena. We now return for more Superstars fun with that crazy woodpecker, Woody.
Guess who?
Out of the vast void of space comes Captain Zoom! Hi, space jumpers! Zoom! Now, here's today's co-pilot. What's your name, space jumper?
Woody Woodpecker.
Okay, Woody, give that big old zoom!
Oh!
Take over the controls, Woody. We're going to blast off. But first, a drink of delicious Zoppo. Are you ready with your bottles, you 52 million boys and girls? Blast off with Zoppo. Ready, co-pilot?
Check.
Master switch on. Asteroid point 000. Gyro stabilizer 7.2 millitrons. Blast off time minus 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well, Woody, you've had your trip to Mars. You've earned your space helmet, your signalizer, and your can of Zippo Whip. Bye now, and don't forget, zoom!
And zoom to you, too.
Hey, Sarge, a flying saucer just landed. Keep your heads, folks. Don't get excited. Don't get excited!
Mr. and Mrs. North America and all the ships at sea. Flash! Flying saucers, 30 feet in diameter, have invaded our city.
The Sabina Clubassadina Lo Sabato read on a flying pizza. Etala Toyotosum somewhere on a flying eggplant. Funny looking thing, ain't he? Yeah, maybe he's from Mars.
I saw him flash right out of the sky.
I knew this would happen. Don't get too close, folks. He may be radioactive.
This is a lot of fun.
Rope off the area. Code all communications.
He's not from our planet. I repeat, he is not from our planet. Over.
Washington says turn him over to the atomic lab for observation.
First, we check his IQ. Aha! Oh, now we see which peg goes in the round hole. He has feathers instead of skin. Very interesting. A schmodelic spaceman, so. But now we see how you stand the electric neutron. face me too. Out!
What's going on here?
Funny looking thing, ain't he? Oh, but he's an Earthman.
Einstein flash right out of the sky. I knew this would happen.
Don't get too close, folks. He may be radioactive.
Well, here we go again.
Superstars excitement will continue with that rascally redhead, Woody Woodpecker, after these messages.